Hello, mic check. Okay. I guess we are up. Yep, we are definitely live. Let me turn on my bot. I hope it works. It's been a long time. Okay. The code somewhat works. Okay. So today we are going to finish some work regarding our Spendify project. Got to wrap it up and then move on to the next one, which is DSA. Hey, Vinay Reddy, hero, villain gundeskunama villain la. సేమ్ ఇదే బెటర్. ఒక 6 నెలల వరకు ఇంకేం అవసరం లేదు. స్పెండిఫై ఫ్రంట్ ఎండ్. దిస్ ఇస్ ఫర్ పైథాన్. ఐ డోంట్ నీడ్ ఇట్. ఏదో బాట్ ఏదో పని చేయట్లేదు. ఐపీ అడ్రస్ బిస్కెట్ అయిందా? ఇట్స్ నాట్ ఓపెనింగ్. ఏంటి కదా అంత మంచిదేమో. బేసిక్గా ఎవ్రీథింగ్స్ ఫైన్, నథింగ్ ఎక్సైటింగ్, నథింగ్ బ్యాడ్ అనమాట. ఓకే, జో జో హే వో హే. నీ సంగతి చెప్పు. ఇప్పటిదాకానే ఒక రెండు మూడు మ్యాచ్లు పబ్జి ఆడి ఆఫీస్ అయిన తర్వాత చాలా రోజులు అయింది స్ట్రీమ్ చేయక. ప్లస్ ఈ ప్రాజెక్ట్ కూడా స్టార్ట్ చేసినా ఇంకా ఫినిష్ చేయలేదు. అందుకని ఒక లుక్ వేద్దాం అని చెప్పి స్టార్ట్ చేసా. ఇది పక్కా బిస్కెట్ అయింది. ఇది అసలు ఓపెన్ అవుతలేదు. ఎర్రర్ ఏమన్నా ఉందా? లేదే. దీంట్లో ఏమైనా బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్లో ఏమన్నా నడుస్తుందా? నైట్లీ నడుస్తుంది. యా, ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ డైలీ లూప్. అదే కరెక్ట్లే. ఆ లూప్ నుంచి బయటకు వస్తే కష్టం అయిపోతుంది. సో ప్రజెంట్ లూప్లో ఉండడం మేడం కొంచెం సేఫేలే ఇప్పుడున్న టైంలో. తొందర ఏం లేదు. పవర్ మోడ్ కొంచెం తగ్గిద్దాం, చాలా ఎక్కువ ఉంది. ఓ ఆల్రెడీ పవర్ సేవింగ్లోనే ఉందా? ఓకే. మరి ఇంతకాలం జీపీ ఓడు తీసుకుంటాడు. యా, ప్రజెంట్ లూపే సేవ్, దాని నుంచి బయటకు రాకూడదు. ఓకే, సో వాట్ ఐఎమ్ డూయింగ్ ఇస్, ఇక్కడ యాక్చువల్గా యూఆర్ఎల్ ఓపెన్ అవ్వాలి. మరి ఎందుకు ఓపెన్ అవ్వలేదో తెలియదు. సో ఫస్ట్ దీన్ని డీబగ్ చేద్దాం. బాట్ నడుస్తుంది బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్లో. నేను ఇంకోటి ఓపెన్ చేస్తా. క్లోజ్ చేసి ఇది కూడా క్లోజ్ చేసి స్ట్రీమ్ అసిస్టెంట్. ఎనీథింగ్ ఎక్సైటింగ్ లైక్ మ్యారేజ్, స్టార్టప్స్ అలాంటివి ఏమైనా ఉన్నాయా? ఉంటే చెప్పు, రెజ్యూమ్ పంపిస్తా. వీడియో ప్రాసెసర్ అవసరం లేదు, అలర్ట్స్ అవసరం లేదు. బాట్లో వేర్ ఇస్ నోడ్ రే, నోడ్ ప్లే రైట్. ఓకే, అంతలే. హ్యాండిల్ రిక్వెస్ట్ మెయిన్. ఓకే, ఇప్పుడు 13 months ఎగో రాసిన కోడ్. కాబట్టి పెడితే నువ్వే సీఈఓ నువ్వే. అంత టాలెంట్ ఉంటే వేరేలా ఉందిలే. సో ఒకసారి ఇది రన్ చేయాలి యాక్చువల్గా. ఇది ఒకసారి రన్ చేసి నేను చూస్తా. సిడి బాట్ go run main.go డాష్ env ఏదో ఉంటుంది ఇందులో డెవా నో ఓ cd main ప్రజెంట్ ఏం లేదు మా అది అయ్యేటట్టుగా అంత చిన్న పని కాదు కదా అది. హలో అవుతుందా లేదా సో పని చేస్తా ఎట్లాగో క్రోమ్ ఓపెన్ చేస్తే సరిపోతుంది కాబట్టి అది కూడా లైవ్ స్ట్రీమ్లో చేసుకుంటావా కాంపిటీషన్ ఎట్లుంది తెలుసా బ్రూటల్ బ్రూటల్ మన ఇవన్నీ రావు బేసిక్గా అందరికి తెలిసిపోయింది అమెరికా అంటే ఏంటో ఇదర్ మంచిగా సెటిల్ అయిన వాళ్ళనే లేదా ఏమి తెలియని వాళ్ళని చేసుకోవడం తప్పితే తెలిసిన వాళ్ళని చేసుకోలేం ఫ్రంట్ ఎండ్ అసలు మర్చిపోయిన అంత నేనే రాసిన కోడ్ కానీ ఏం గుర్తులేదు ఓ ఇప్పుడు ఆన్ అయింది సో ఇది ఓపెన్ అవుతుంది సెట్టింగ్ అప్ ప్లే రైట్ ఇన్స్టాల్ ఓకే ఇక్కడ వరకు వచ్చింది ఇక్కడ వరకు వచ్చింది దీని తర్వాత 10 సెకండ్స్ స్లీప్ అయిన తర్వాత ఓకే స్టార్టెడ్ సీయింగ్ ఇష్యూస్ రైట్ హియర్ ఇది ఇప్పుడు పని చేసిందే ఇప్పుడు పని చేసింది ఇందాక ఎందుకు పని చేయలేదు సో బేసిక్గా ఏం మిస్టేక్స్ లేవు నా యూట్యూబ్ దాని నుంచే ఇష్యూస్ అయినాయి అయితే లెట్స్ ట్రై వన్ లాస్ట్ టైమ్ డెస్క్టాప్ బాట్ డిమాండ్స్ ఎక్కువ అంటే వాళ్ళు తప్పనడానికి లేదు ఎవరన్నా అంతే కదా మరి దీంట్లో ఎందుకు పని చేయట్లేదు కమాన్ బాయ్ కమాన్ బాయ్ ఓకే దీంట్లో పని చేసింది ఇప్పటివరకు పని చేయలేదు ఇప్పుడు పని చేసింది ఓకే నో వరీస్ ఓకే ఇప్పుడు నాకు చాట్ మంచిగా క్లియర్గా అనిపిస్తుంది ఇట్లా అని తిరిగి జూమ్ చేసి చూసే అవసరం లేదు ఇట్లా విండో ఓపెన్ అవుతుంది దీన్ని ఇట్లా పక్కకు పెట్టుకుంటాను అనమాట అంతే దీని కొంచెం మీది గంట కనబడట్లేదు మచ్ బెటర్ ఓకే నౌ లెట్స్ స్టార్ట్ అవర్ వర్క్ దీంట్లో ఏది అవసరం లేదు క్లోజ్ దిస్ ఈస్ వాట్ వీఆర్ డూయింగ్ ఇది ఓపెన్ చేయి చాలు లేదు ఇది కూడా ఓపెన్ చేసి ఆ సూపర్ బేస్ ఆగిపోయి ఉంటుంది ఏంది అసలు ఓపెన్ అవ్వట్లేదు ఓకే మా సీ యూ అగైన్ నెక్స్ట్ టైం థ్యాంక్స్ ఫర్ జాయినింగ్ బాయ్ బాయ్ నేను క్యాజువల్గా చేస్తున్నాను అంతే సీరియస్ ఓ యాక్చువల్ బిస్కెట్ అయింది ఇది ఏంటంట పుష్ టోస్ట్ మెసేజా ఇప్పుడు ఎర్రర్ ఉందా failed compile post use toast state ఇదేగా కాన్స్టెంట్ ఇది ఓకే ఇక్కడ నేను లేదా మొత్తం కోడ్ డి యూ మీన్ శశిరాజ్ థ్యాంక్స్ ఫర్ ద లైక్ బ్రో I don't know why there is no sound for it, but normally there should be a sound. But thanks for the like, Shashi. You seem new to the channel, bro. Shashi, I'm going to call you Shashi. Thanks for the like. I'm currently trying to fix this. It's been a long time I have written this code. I don't really remember. Do you mean post message equals to, oh, this is what was I trying to do? Push toast. Okay, this is an arrow function. And now it should work fine. Thanks for joining. If you have any things to ask, just feel free to ask. Okay, now it's working. Nice. Okay, I got all my transactions. So import this thing, needs some work. Accounts, I do see add account here. I don't know what exactly this icon is. I still forgot. But to my knowledge, I can proceed and create this. Okay. Okay, accounts click is not working. That needs to be fixed. But why the nav bar closed inside the accounts tsx? I don't really need, I do not need a terminal session open all the time. So somewhere here, okay, if it's not web, do this. But if it's web, okay, platform OS is if it's web, then we are going to use this. App drawer, current screen, okay, visible. So if it's not web, okay, that's fine. I'll make a copy of it. If it's equals to web, basically do the same thing. It's going to be visible all the time. There is no close. Okay, much better. When I click here, what is happening? Accounts is not okay, it's a small accounts. Okay, items might need some work. Expenses loads fine. Rules loads fine. Accounts. Why is this not working? Do I have to keep it inside for some reason? Okay, now this thing works, but if I apply this back again, it won't work. Oh, I think it's probably because of the view, how I designed it. This is where we see the accounts, so it's moved underneath. So what is this one? Why is it? If it's not equals to web, obviously show it. You know what? I'm going to copy paste the things from, what was the screen which works fine? I think it's expenses. Expenses.tx somewhere here. So if it's web, we are going to use the same app drawer. But if it's a mobile, that's when the game changes. It's this one. Okay. If it's equals to web, use this. If it's not equals to something else, use that one. Okay, still have to debug this. So if I remove them both, let's say I don't need both of them. For some reason it works fine. So either platform.web. And what is the difference between? Oh, I think the container. It's flex one. I didn't really design whether it's column or okay. This one is definitely a column. So both are flex, and then how is it a difference? Okay, if it's no, okay, now I understand. If it's a web platform, so this one needs to be changed. Flex direction equals to platform.os equals to web equals to row if not equals to column. Apart from this, I don't. Yeah, now it works. Rules works. This works. I might need to change it to somewhere else. The add button. But for now, let's keep it. We're not concerned with that. So expenses. Oh yeah, the use case now is we can load up. We can load up, or we can. Expo Go. Do I have it? Do I have it? Do I have it? A new Expo version is coming. The new Expo version of Go will be released to the store soon. It will only support SDK 55. You automatically update enables in the app. We recommend disabling it to avoid disruption. Of course, let me go and do that. Expo Go. It's obvious I don't want to enable auto uploads. It's disabled. Nice. Okay, this works. Nice. I wish I can resize it. Why can't I resize it? I was expecting it to resize. So okay, I can check the mobile version right here. So inside the mobile version here, I see accounts. Account looks good. No issues in this one. The click button doesn't work. So let's go and hamburger on press open drawer true. Then why is it not working? Drawer open. Oh, looks like I don't even have the option for menu. Okay, if it's not web, something strange. Then this is the menu. Hamburger icon. Inside that, do we have the menu? No. Then where is the menu coming from? So this is web. We don't see that in app view. Oh, right here. Okay, we do. You also need the app drawer. Okay. Drawer open, on close, false. So what is the issue here? Oh, looks like I need to set it something like this. Set it here. Does it work now? Hamburger true. Now it's not working again. Not working. So when I press on this, this property should be false. When I press on this, this should set it to true. And app visible equals to, is this the one? Yes. Then why isn't it not working? Hey Jagadeep, welcome man. Long time, yeah. I hate myself. Just cannot keep up with some kind of consistency. It's just too hard for me. So I just gave up. I see whatever. If I can stream, I'm doing it. If not, I'm just sitting idle. Thanks for the like, man. App drawer visible. I would need to finish up this project because I'm actively using it. So that's one use case. And then after this, I'm definitely going after DSA. I know you guys won't believe me this time. So everything is all right, bro. No issues, no issues. It's just life being life. I try my best to start my stream at 9. Cannot really do that anymore. So I was trying something new last time, LinkedIn, X, Instagram. I was reacting to some content, and even while I was doing it, I was not really enjoying it. So I don't know what else I can do other than live streams. So I thought about it. Looks like I can't really do anything. I cannot react to stuff. I cannot read news articles regarding tech because I don't really have that much knowledge. So there's nothing I can do other than just live stream. So this is where it ends. All my creativity, all my fun will be coming in this session, the live streams. Either I record while I speak or I just give up. That's it. Not expecting anymore, not putting any more effects as well. It's just do whatever I can do. Build projects, do it. I don't think I will ever run out of content in live streaming because there is always something I'm going to do, either a project. If I don't have anything to do, I might try DSA. That's still in my bucket list. Someday, I'll try my best. So for now, I got a debug why this is not working. I press this button, but I don't see the app drawer. Is it a reason? Maybe I have to keep it outside. Let's see if the expenses screen is working. So inside expenses, it definitely works. So inside expenses, how is it different? So that means I don't need it here. Should I place it after this screen? Will that work? No, it does. It does not work here as well. If it's not web and an app drawer. No, let's have it here. Let's, let's see if this works. Even now, it still does not work. So visibility visible as true. Even now, it's not working. Something is going on. Oh, current screen is amounts. What? It's accounts. Sorry. Let's see if I have an error. Do you work in Python web? Yeah. Hey, thanks for another like, man. Whoever did the like, sorry, whoever liked my stream, thank you so much. It requires building a third schema of the project expo. What is it talking about? Do a refresh. Okay, I'm in dashboard. In dashboard, when I click, it works fine. But in the accounts, it works now. I'm sure why didn't it work before. How to host it in a cloud VPS? I use something maybe for a run for a fast API, but it stopped when I close the SSH. Oh, that. So it's a VMS. It's a virtual system. So what you do is it your Lambda? There are two ways you can do this, man. So one is called cold start approach or a Lambda function, where anytime a request comes in, your Python instance would just turn on, and once the request goes away, it turns off. This is one approach. If your server is just a function or something like that, then that approach would work fine. But if you want your server to keep up all the time, so it should run all the time, then you should not run your Python script. You need to do it in a Linux way where you create a service. So this is what I did. I forgot my IP. I forgot my IP. I think this is the one. Oh, still got memory. One second. I'll show it to you how exactly those things are. There should be the USR. Do you know where we have our services? Oh, this is not the one. I forgot where we host our services. Okay, maybe in this one. Okay, I forgot where we create those. Oh, maybe. No, this is not. This is the place where we host our like the web servers. But there is a thing called service. So in short, what we do is we create a service, man. Oh, so you see, this is the service I'm talking about. My Linux terminal or my Raspberry Pi, which has the services, I would run them anytime. They would be running all the time. If you don't want to do this in this way, there is a thing called use it for Node.js. I totally. Why am I? Oh, PM2, 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 PM2. It's PM2. I'm sure it's PM2. So this is written in Node, but you can basically use Python versions as well. It's basically meant to keep your thing alive. PM2, yes. So what exactly is your configuration? Do you have it as a Lambda function or do you have it as a server? If you're using one second. I oh, if you have Google Cloud. Looks like there is a video. See, these are all instance managers, bro. You can use whatever languages you want. You just need to give it some how to turn on that system. That's where the most important is. Something like this. These would also work fine. I have my Go machine running something like this for months before I move into services. This was how it worked. No issues. Kids test. Hey, welcome to the stream, man. Yeah. Yo, Shri, how are you, bro? So Jagdeep, you can try this, man. But again, if you're this is not I don't think the problem here is your session is being closed off by Google itself. Probably you might need to oh, they have a document here. Types of Python shared hosting. Okay, I need a symbol. VPS. What was yours? VMS? It's VMS. Is there a difference between VPS and VMS? Oh, virtual machine. Okay, you just have your entire operating system for yourself. Oh, you have your. So then it's simple, bro. Just set up the environment and just keep it running. Or maybe you have it set it up in such a way that once you disconnect your virtual machine goes to a sleep mode or something. Don't just change that to stay up all the time. Virtual machine stops. This is not a Python issue or anything. It's just a virtual machine setup issues, bro. It's a common thing that Google Cloud, even Microsoft, even other free version services, they as long as you are using it, they keep it up. But when you disconnect it, they assume that you're gone and they put that machines to sleep. If you don't want that to happen, obviously you need to make some configuration changes that it should keep running all the time. Google Virtual Machine Guy. Hey, whoever liked my stream, thank you so much. VM instance pricing. Okay, I'm entering this territory. Why would you need a VM, Jagdeep? You always try to go for cloud in your beginning stage. Why? Just host your things in your laptop, man. The page covers the disk images and networking. I don't see instance uptime. Okay, instance uptime is measured as the number of seconds between when you start and when you stop an instance. The later being the instance's state is stopped. In case your system can suffer from a failure or be marked as stopped by the system, in these cases, you will not be charged for the usage of the stopped state. So you're basically using the free version, then obviously once you disconnect, they are going to turn it off. What are you expecting? Dude, this is madness. Even Rajesh, hey, what's going on, boys? What are we building? So, yeah, I have a project which is for personal use, my own expense manager. Again, I know that there are a lot of million expense managers which are already in the market, which are also free. I am a paid user of Budget Wallet, as I have been using that for years now. But the thing is, they all lack in-depth analysis. Just say, did I buy in a given store, instead of, okay, I spent $50 in Walmart. I want to see what exactly I have spent with that $50 so that I can categorize even more. So I'm using NPX Expo, React Native Expo, so that I have the same code base for my mobile as well as my web. And I'm using Python LM Studio for my OCR and AI. We do have AI, and we can just import our transactions. We can also import bank statements or transactions, they are the same. Or we can import OCR. OCR means the receipts which you get from the store, and you can link that to the existing transactions, and so that you can see much more clear version, something like this. So I spend, look at this, it's showing that I got a watermelon, I got apples, I got pistach pistachios, chicken wings, tasty. So I wanted to build something like this. There are free versions, I even wanted to go ahead and buy a paid version app as well, but they all lack in-depth transaction management. Not just a store and the total price. I want per item analysis. Yes, I do have other cool projects which I worked on, but this is the one I'm currently working because I actively use this. As you can see, these are all my transactions. GitHub. This is GitHub Copilot. I pay for it. This is a car rental. This is a toll gate. This is a gas station. Domino's Pizza. So, and in the meantime, Jagdeep joined the stream and he wanted to know how he can keep his virtual machine running. The moment he disconnects, oh, no. But my Node.js app works all the time if I disconnect, but it's not working with Python. Okay. Okay. Why not vibe code it? I did use AI, but I didn't really completely vibe code because I like building my own stuff. I'm not in a race. I'm not selling this product off to anyone. I don't have to report for it. I do have the core functionalities working. It's just some misalignment, some cherry on tops, so that we can clearly see I have the entire expense filtration system, which also works fine. It's just, yeah, cool. But I'm using this almost every day. I like it. Of course, there's a lot of UI stuff I need to do. I need to add charts in company in companies, obviously. But the entire UI was actually designed by AI, Copilot and ChatGPT, where I don't really know. I don't want to pick up colors. You just, like, the border radius, the border highlight, there is a little bit of it. The tab, these things. The moment you see a bad UI, that's mine. Oh, why is there is a second one right here? So let me go remove that. Looks like this needs to be here. The moment you see something with a very bad UI, that's me. So Rajesh Sahani, if you have anything to ask, just let me know, bro. I did build some cool stuff, but I'm not really in a mood to advertise my own self. I don't know, but the UI has a room for improvement. You can get the functionality first, then improve testing feedback. That's how I normally build my applications too. First, I implement all the complicated works, all the database structures, the final things which I want to feature. For now, there are two important features I'm missing. The first one is Siddharth, bro. Backend running locally or hosted somewhere. This is the super base. I do have the AI running locally in Python plus Olama. I normally use Golang, but for this project, it doesn't matter what language you use. The completely bottleneck is your LM Studio or your Olama setup. Why is WhatsApp running? So anyway, so I have three different models for different use cases. Gemma 3 for category and tags management. Minstrel Instruct for OCR. I don't know what is this one for. But I was trying to do something, I guess. So LM Studio is great. I like it. The only thing it does not do well compared to Olama is it does not install, it does not load the model directly. The moment you make an API call, it does not load the model until a few retries. But Olama, if you say like, okay, process this token with Gamma, it will load this Gamma model into the memory and it would start doing its thing. But LLM Studio, I have to either manually press this button to load the model into my memory. See it's loading. Or else I have to make an API call. I have to set up a loop where it tries to do that, and you can see it takes time. So until this process is done, it would just keep waiting. I have to keep my Python to just retry. That's eventually the model will be loaded and it will send you those things. But I don't mind using LLM Studio because for some reason, uh, with Olama, whatever I do, my prompts doesn't run on GPU. I have to turn on my machine. I have to turn off all my applications, then turn on Olama, then open a terminal, run some CMD commands. That's when my prompts, whatever they run on my GPU. If I missed even a single step, the model will be loaded in my RAM and will be using CPU. It doesn't matter. It's the same models. So, but LM Studio works great. They have their own instance of my GPU based drivers installed, so no issues. Once the model is loaded, hey, what's up? I can damn sure that everything is running in my graphic card. But I cannot trust that with the Olama itself. So I have uninstalled it. I stick to LM Studio. I'm feeling thirsty. So we have Raj Sahani, Siddhant, and the code guy. Hey, what's up, Siddhant? I saw your message as I was explaining something. I kept your side. What's up, man? Busy man. How's your life? Hey, what I was working on. So icons worked fine. I was working on something and I forgot what was it. Oh, I was working on what happens if the transaction is not imported, but I want to upload an OCR. Oh, even I'm not an AI guy, bro. I'm a sort of person who comes up with solutions. I mean, that's what I strongly believe engineering is. So how do I connect? How do you connect your AI with Python backend? Is it through? It's an API call. There is a package for LM Studio. You can use either LM Studio, you can use LangChain, you can use Olama based, OpenAI based. There is a package from OpenAI how you communicate with your model. But what I'm doing now is simple API call. I make an API call to my LM Studio. It does its thing and it shoots the response which is coming from the model to my Python. And of course, there are a lot of other stuff Python does, OCR things, as well as once the AI response is uh, caught by the Python, it also does some cleaning and then shoots over it to the front end. So we have two backends. One is the Superbase, which handles the login, which also has the database. I'm not using local database for this. I'm using Superbase. Works fine. Didn't really face any issues till now. But for the AI, I'm using local because I have experience running servers in my machine. I have two computers. Never really I did have issues, but I learned something from them. But I'm confident. I do have a laptop in some other country, and even that stays up all the time. Works fine. No complaints. So what I'm trying to do now is there is a case where I go to a store. I have a receipt, but how can I? Oh, nice. Is it restricted number of calls, or you have any subscription? This is a free model. So it's your own hardware limit. These are free. So if you open this LM Studio, these are all free models. You can run it on your machines. Of course, you need to have a competent graphic card. So currently, what I have is performance. I have a GTX. Oh, I'll bring it here. It's an RTX 3080. It has like what 10 gigabytes of VRAM. Perfectly fine, no issues. I can run almost decent models. Trema 4B, 8B. I can run all these models. You can see it's like 4 gigabytes. But honestly speaking, if you need something cloud based, then there is a way called Minstral. Of course, you have to sign up for it. So they provide, I think, 5,000 tokens for free. You don't have to pay a single rupee for using their models. It's a cloud. They provide the best models for you. I wanted to use that in the first place, but then I realized I can use this the same one. I installed the same Minstrel version, whichever they are providing. I have used here. So if you cannot run this Minstrel 7B in your local machine, you can just use this one. It's their free version, Minstrel AI. I don't know why this page opens up. Maybe it's sending me something. Oh, it's asking for a verification. One second. Hmm. Hey, price tag. You changed, Konda. You changed. Price tag. I forgot what was your original name, bro. YouTube started showing these at the rate names. Do you mind sharing your original name? Email is verified. Thank you, but can you take me to my page? Page not found. Nice. Minstrel AI. Minstrel AI. So products pricing. You can try the free version. Where is it? Start chatting. No, there is an API version, bro. Resources, developers, partners. API reference. So you can use their API for up to 5,000 ish tokens, which is a lot more than what the other. I don't think no other AI provider would give you free API access, but this one does it. So if you don't have much experience, you can definitely try these. You can just select whatever language you want and just give it a shot. It works fine. You can use any model as you want. It's not just, hey, what is this studio? Oh, this is like the Teams one. Sorry. So I guess you understand what I was trying to explain. I shall now see how can I face this challenge. I'm feeling a lot thirsty today. So the problem here is I have to upload a orphan OCR so that I don't have to wait until అంతేలేరా అంతేలేరా అంటే తెలుగే అయితే పేరు మర్చిపోయా బ్రో ప్రైస్ ట్యాగ్ నాకు గుర్తుంది కానీ ఎవరో గుర్తు రావట్లేదు చాలా రోజులైంది మా నేను స్ట్రీమ్ చేసి ప్రైస్ ట్యాగ్డ్ శశి ఒకసారి ఎల్పియో అని చెప్పి నువ్వేనా ఇదేదో ఓపెన్ అయింది ఇది ఎట్లా క్లోజ్ చేయాలో తెలియదు ఓకే ఫైర్ ఫాక్సా okay, so what I was trying to do is once user presses this button, obviously we cannot add something like this. We imports. Do I have import section here? I do not have imports. Okay. So inside accounts, inside dashboard, I see the plus icon, but I do not see that plus icon anywhere else. So inside dashboard, I press the plus icon and it opens this one. That's the same for me. So what I'm going to do is I will let the user upload an orphan OCR so that information can be saved, and later when the transaction comes in, the program automatically tries to match those orphan transactions into the database. Let's do that now. So add, I think this is the one, add transaction. Okay, I don't need this terminal session, bro. Can you close it? So view, this is the one platform. Why am I saying the title is missing? These were added a long time before. A transaction, so far so good. Why was it trying to, okay, platform, this most of the stuff works fine here. So if it's web, this is what it's going to do. But most of the things I need to add like a from content. Let's have file uploader. Yes, file uploader. Now I have it. Pick a file. I can pick file from here. So once OCR receipt, I have to add a checkbox where if I press this and const is orphan. What is the spelling of orphan? Orphan is orphan OCR. Set is orphan OCR after equals to false. Okay. Receipt HTML receipt. So there is one for this is the process HTML. I don't need this. This is the upload file. No, 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 no. What actually happens if I upload a receipt here? Import, pick a file. Oh, it tries to match from the existing OCR. I think that's what it tries to do. So let me just do one thing. It might take some time. 1 second, and then here, right here. There should be a photo which I took for my receipt. Yes, and I have to copy this. Save as pictures. Save. Done. I gotta upload this, but before that, let me run my Python script. Home. Where is it? 25 backend. Open in VS Code. I don't have to use Z for this kind of stuff. I don't know why I'm seeing an error here, but I'm going to happily skip it. So ls, do we have a read-only? Sorry, readme file. I'm sure I have a readme file here. So this is how I turn it on. Okay, might take some time. Was I using Olama? What model am I using? Okay, Olama settings. Yeah, looks like I have to update these to use LM Studio. I got LM Studio running. I gotta use these. I kind of have the same models, so it should work fine. Where is the settings? Right here. And what is the integration? No. Developer JIT. Okay, developer mode on. Stable, yes. What is the URL and the API endpoints for this? Was there any difference? I wish I can see model search. No. What are these? My models? Developer? REST API. Okay, okay, okay. Oh, okay. Show on web. Local server. This is the one I running the server. Hey, it's in the local host. What is the port name? Port. I'm looking for port. Why doesn't it close it? Do I not have it as turned on? or do I have to specify that it should turn on? Okay, now it makes sense. Okay, local server. Okay, it's ready. Oh, now I have the port. It's 1234. I have to load my models right here. Server settings, require authentication, no. Server on local network, no. Enable cores, just in time loading. Everything is fine. It should manage tokens. Okay, let's see now. LM Studio, OpenAI compatible, Anthropic compatible. So I'm using LM Studio API. So let's take a screenshot of this. So we go ahead here and we tell AI codex. I don't know if I still have the login. Looks like I have it. Oh, where is the IDE connect? Okay. So I have to update all these to use AI response. Localhost Olama origins example. I don't think this is much of an issue for me. So let's remove this test APIs, delete. We can keep all of them, and this is the main function. And right here we don't really have much other than middleware, which is currently I'm allowing any kind of a request. And then we have this is the env. Again, no major, because everything is running in local. We have the models, and we have init authentication, and then we have services, AI service. So this is where we need to check routes, AI and OCR. Where is the OCR currently working here? Authentication, no. Enrichment, no. OCR is done. Receipt. This is the one. And inside here what is the difference between this one and this one? Is anything running here? No. Close it. Where is the one which is talking to my Olama? Process HTML, and inside here it does it parse and it creates this collection. Parse HTML to structure. Does it have Olama here? This is beautiful soap. AI processing, AI process text. Okay, this is somewhere we are actually doing it now. Client.post base URL equals to Olama base URL. This is where the game changes now. Oh, it's Lava 7B. Let me download this one. Lava 7B. I hope it's there. Oh, we do not have Lava models inside LM Studios? Okay, we have it. Lava. There is two versions here. How can I download this one? Lava for OCR processing and item extraction. Oh, I need Lava now. I don't know if I have it. Olama is completely removed, so I might need to search it again to see if we have LM Studio. Minstrel 7B. So Lava 7B is a novel end-to-end trained language model that combines a vision encoder and something for general purpose vision and language understanding. I expected this to, it's 2 years old model. Maybe we can try something Lava. This is the 2 years old model. What is the difference between lava, lava? Lava. There is no model with 7B apart from this one. I mean, yeah, if it works fine, then it works fine. I'm going to download it. Most likes, let's say most downloads. How can they mix two different models into one? How can they mix lava and Minstrel? Okay, anyways, let's check auto. Control Shift S. Can you update the code base to now use LM Studio instead of Olama? Previously, I was using Olama. Now we have to use LM Studio. Keep the same model, but let us give it some time. For Minstrel 7B, what models do I have here? I have Minstrel 7B instruct. I don't know how can I. Okay, we do have the lava v 1 point whatever this one is. How can I access this one? Currently loaded model. What is the model which is loaded? This is REST API. Of course, that's REST API. This is the one, and then we copy this section and we paste it here. So we have the first model as. So which one should we use if we want to use a model? Is this the key or is this the display name? I don't think we have to use v version 1 or version 2. It's the post message. For files has been changed. This is as expected. This one is as expected. This one is as expected. Readme file. So far so good. Everything's looking nice. Let's try rerunning it. Okay, something is broken. What is broken now? Bootstrap browser API AI.service text equals to none. What was all these? This was not what I had before. It tried to complicate so many things. Okay, let's see. Okay, the server is running now. So let's connect. So what was the previous API endpoints we had? We might need to update all those. This is the Zen mode. This is Z. Where is the Z? Right here. Then constants or API.ts. OCR extract and AR processing. Okay, what do we have here? OCR endpoints. So API v1 extract. I guess those should be the same. I don't think those should be different. So what I have to do now is, oh, I cannot have it open. Delete. What are the unnecessary tools I have? Delete. I don't need this. Delete. I don't need this. Quit. Nice. So the API endpoints should be the same. I don't think I have to go ahead and change those. But let's, for the sake of sanity, let's try receipt over here, pick a file, pictures. We upload this image. Tide Hunter, hey, welcome to the stream, man. You seem new. What are you building, mate? I am building my personal expense tracker. Don't get disappointed. It's not just like other million free available expense tracker. It does something a bit extra. It has OCR and AI processing. It's not just a simple AI wrapper. Again, it's a personal project. I have a use case for it. If you want me to yap a bit more about it, I'm going to. If not, I'm going to shut my mouth and continue programming process receipt. Processing the OCR, it might take some time or it can crash because I changed the backend. It did load the image, but it did not get anything. So either the backend died or the front end just processed receipt, post message. What did it get in response? Just all nothing. Oh, I got a raw message. What is this number? Market slash W. Is it? Oh, it looks good in mobile phone, but does not look that good in the UI. Pictures. I open this. Oh, it does not look that good. That's for sure. But it's okay. Whatever it can pull from, I need those. So let's see where did I mess up? Okay, there is one error here. What was the error again? It's in the AI service prompt. Call LM Studio. Is this the one? Oh, it says bad request. Do I have logs? Oh, no models loaded user. You're not performing OCR. You have given a raw OCR. Truncate a log. Okay, no mandatory or contemporary. No models loaded. So I might need to pick a model which this supports, but I don't know another model which does the same exact thing. So let's see the developer mode. Uh, where was the list of models? Did I close it? No. So this is the model I want to use. Let's go to models, and where is the constants? There should be a file called constants. Config or constants? It's config. It's a base URL, and let's change this to this one. Unsure if still it works fine or not. Still trying to figure it out. Process request. This is the other one. Did not work. What did happen here? So bad request. Why? Failed to load the model. Error. Failed to load the model. Why? It did try to load the model. That's a good thing. Probably the model did not have enough GPU in my machine. It's a good thing that it does know that I'm using a 3080. Meta load 19 key values. Probably this is not a good model for me. Maybe let's try some other model. OCR. Is there any other OCR based models? There is DeepSeek OCR. And drag your image in the terminal and type into the text path. Free OCR model. OCR is a high accuracy optical character recognition model built for extracting text from a complex visual input such as documents, screenshots, and receipts and natural scenes. Use case. Extracting text from a mobile phone inputs or screenshots. But what are the outputs? Exact plain text or structured format with bounded boxes. There are so many There are so many. I don't know what are the size. Oh, this is 10 gigabytes. This is 2 gigabytes. Why do we have these many? Does anyone know another model? I know Llama we have this one, but looks like we do not have an equivalent model inside this one. The 5 gigabytes model. Let me try using this. What could go wrong? So let's open the chat, and looks like I cannot load this model for some reason. It did not load. Why? Failed to load the model. Failed to load the model. Could have just showed me what is the. Okay, I'm trying multiple different models just to see which one works. So I tried installing this Lava one version 1.57b. That did not load. It was not really showing any error other than failed to load model. I wish it could show something more than that. So developer, let's see. Finishing download, finish download. Okay, load model. Let's see if this can load. Did it load? Okay, this loaded fine. So let's try using this inside our this model and see if it can do something which the other one didn't. Process receipt. I see the API call. Let's see here. I can hear my GPU noise, but for some reason this didn't work. What happened? So it did get something. Content merchant. Walmart. Why is it a Walmart? Just total price, total price, total price. Not exactly what I expected. But again, no reason for losing the hope. We can try something new. You know what? Let's try using a different model. Minstrel. What models do we have? Instead of Lava, let's say Queen 8B. It's a good model too. Taking some time. Either it cannot load it. Hi. Okay. It can load. So let's try using this model. If this works, then I'm good. Okay, and then let's close all these. Oh, requesting processing failed. Expense item object has no attribute total price. Of course, I know that. Process request. I see something's happening. I can hear my GPU spinning. I'm sure it's using some resources. I can show it to you. Yeah. Whole LM Studio is using my GPU, sucking up all the power. Please give me some results. Please. You can take some time. I don't mind. Take as much time as you want. Timed out 300. Stupid. Stupid. You know what? Let's increase the timeout. Where are we calling the endpoint? Where are we calling the endpoint? process receipt on press upload file. Where is the code for this? Something happens, and then where is the API point? Transaction store, find matching transaction. Was I not endpoint? Who is calling this endpoint? Okay, right here, upload ACR. So where is the timeout? Did I have this timeout here? LM Studio. Where is the developer portal here? Oh, now I see some text. Okay, let's tackle this receipt process first. I need to pass the given OCR text, and okay. Does it have something? The user mentioned there might be an OCR errors, duplicate list and broken formatting, so I have to be careful not to assume something. Then wait, maybe Marley is the store name? No. Chattanooga, it could be an address and zip code OCR. I think I technically put merchant as Marley and address as Chattanooga. Next, looking for an item. The timestamp is supposed to be something. I don't see a clear date and time. Not sure. The user said not to invent items if ambiguous, so maybe skipping the line. It did not understand the text exactly how I wanted. So let's try a different model. Which one can we try? What is this one? Nomad embed text. Where do we have the timeouts? As client. So change it to 12000. It's fine. Doesn't matter how long I need. Let's load. I'm done with Quen 8B. It's a good model, but not exactly what I wanted. And let's try Lava. I think this one didn't work. This one works. Okay, I think the model, warming up the model. Okay, the model did load, I guess. Hey, assistant. I don't need this model. I need this one now. Hi. Load a model to send a message. So load this one. Hi. I don't know if it's using my GPU. User said hi. Is it running on a CPU? Why? Okay. Anyways, I don't really know much about that section. So what was the model again? It is this one. So let's try using this one as the config. Okay, this one model has been loaded. I press process text. API call is happening. Obviously this time it shouldn't time out at 120 seconds because things are a bit more longer than expected. Did we get the API call? Hey, what happened? Error. Expanded object has null inside it. Response. Merchant path. Why does it have? Wait, that's not how I have. Is it that hard to read this text? Is it that different? Okay, let me try using some online OCR if they can perform any task better than this. Free OCR. Select a file, go to pictures, upload the file, convert, do your thing. It's waiting. In the meantime, let's try some other things as well. OCR, 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 free OCR receipt. It did something. Highway. What? What is it? What is the first one I have? I have is Moong Swad Moong Hole. So, do we have that at least? Swad Moong Wong. So it could not fetch the information of how I wanted. So that's a bit sad. So let me try using any other model OCR. EMA 328B. I don't know. I don't know if it can do 28B. DeepSeek OCR. Quick start. I'm downloading as many models as possible just to text or to test which model actually works. Previously, the Lava model worked fine without any changes. I think I still have Ulama inside. Okay, just load the model, please. I want to see. Oh, it could not load. Why? Why were all these models unable to load? What was the other one next? OCR. Just download whatever you can. It doesn't matter. What is this one? Typhoon for convenient overlays or downloadless visual models. This is a vision-based model. Is there any other one? If you are using, how to use? Oh, let's see what exactly the Tesseract OCR extracts. Because that's the main one. AI service, base URL, LLM endpoint, call LLM studio. Who are using these functions? Who is using AI service? Process receipt text. OCR request equals to OCR text. So receipt process, upload a receipt. Start with images and then print try OCR length text. So this is the one I wanted to see. Okay, extract with text with confidence. Image to data, and then okay, this is the one it does. So I want to see what is the OCR texted response. Save this text in a file locally. For debugging, I want to see what is the text it outputted. So if the text itself is bad, then which text you want to save and where? What do you mean selected lines? The text which is returned by the function, I want to save it in a file, text file, for better debugging. I hope it understands this. Clarifying function, whatever the word, OCR function, AI response. Yeah, right here. What file path? Local. I didn't know that was this hard. Please provide the exact file path. Yes. Yep, do that. What is it? What is it trying to do? Keep. Okay, I have the text ready. So I do something here in the front from the front end, and it should basically trigger it. Text extracted from the OCR receipt something. Looks like the image itself is bad for this. Yeah, the entire image itself is bad. We do have some items for some reason, even though that has absolutely no meaning. Response is something ambiguous. Okay, let's see if it created any file. Output service OCR. Where is the output? Oh, logs right here. Output.debug. So this is what it generated. Either it couldn't see the text properly, which is here. I guess it couldn't. How about this? I have a printer. Let me just cut it out this section as I don't need it and use the printer instead. Okay, this is a smaller version. I'll connect my printer and let's print this. Okay, I have my printer. It's turned on, but before that I have to just confirm something. Mobi, I don't know if it's still working or not. Mobi printer app. Is this the one? No. There was a free app which I used to use or install. Totally forgot what was it. It's loading. It's something, bro. It's something I have downloaded. Mobility print, yes. It's mobility print, and inside this one, mobility print. I kind of forgot. Do we have it inside on our desktop? Maybe. Yeah, mobility print. Okay. Got the admin password. Mobility print, download, publish, select printers. Okay, I definitely have the printer. So 9136. What was it again? HTTP streaming 9136. Probably I might need to do 0.0.213. Is it 9136 or something else? 9163. Sorry. 9163. And now I have it. And I don't remember the password. I forgot the password, damn it. Hey Harish, welcome to the stream, bro. I'm trying my best to scan a receipt. I'm trying. Looks like I don't really use it. Okay, so let's directly use it from here. Scan. I just connected a printer, bro. It doesn't have a Wi-Fi, so I have to use it. Windows scan. Okay, finally get it. Download it. You stupid. Install. How are you, Harish? Ah, amazing stretch. I'm installing Windows Scan. Once that's installed, I wanted to check the scanned version of the receipt and see how it actually works. Scan. It's scanning. You guys can hear the sound? I can hear the sound. It's processing view. For some reason, this is much more worse than my photo. Obviously. I think a doc scan version is much better than this. I don't know how can I do this. I don't want to waste this receipt. More options, resolution, let's max it up as much as possible. Color mode, yeah, black and white. Preview. Oh, this sucks. View. This is even worse. Probably the 6000 DPI isn't supported. MF 3010 scan. Scanning documents. Nice. And it didn't have anything. Confirm my choices. Close it. Remind later. Install the scanner drivers. What are the drivers for this? Toolbox. Even this text is useless. Looks like the receipt itself is so under quality. It just couldn't understand what exactly is this. This is a bit better than before. So, not exactly how I expected, that's for sure. The amounts are not finalized. I wish I had a better quality of an image. Wasted few pages. Let's see, what is the other receipt? So this looks like a much higher quality. Let's see if the scan works for this one. So the scanner is either broken or I'm doing something wrong. Black and white, grayscale, preview. This is a bit better, so let me scan. Hey gaming kids, namaste. What's up, bro? Okay, much better, much better, much better, much better. So this receipt, it's definitely readable. It's definitely readable. I think I can try this one more time. No bro, ఏం చేయట్లేదు ఈ మధ్య దొరకట్లే టైం. So this public receipt is absolutely fine quality. దీంట్లో ఎటువంటి ప్రాబ్లం లేదు. సో ఇది బాగానే ఉంది, మరి ఇది ఎందుకు రావట్లేదు అంటారు. ఇది ఒకసారి ట్రై చేస్తా. Okay, scanning 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, in the scanner view. జంతా అది ఎందుకో లోడ్ అవ్వట్లేదు అయ్యా, చాలా అన్క్లియర్ వస్తుంది క్వాలిటీ. సో ఈ రిసీట్స్ది ఏదో గోల్మాల్ నడుస్తుంది. కరెంట్ బిల్ కాదు, అది ఇండియన్ స్టోర్ బిల్. చూపిస్తా. సో ఇప్పుడు కొంచెం క్లారిటీ కనిపిస్తుందా? మూంగ్ హోల్ లక్ష్మీ రైస్ ఫ్లోర్ $12 చాలా కాస్ట్లీ. మసూర్ దాల్ $6. చనా దాల్ అన్నీ ఇయ్యి. మొన్న తీసుకొచ్చిండే బేసిక్గా నా స్పెండిఫై అప్లికేషన్ ఉంది కదా, దాంట్లో యాడ్ చేస్తుంటే టెక్స్ట్ సరిగ్గా కనబడట్లేదు అంటుంది. సరే ప్రింటర్తో చూద్దామంటే ప్రింటర్కి కూడా సరిగ్గా అర్థం కాదు. యాక్చువల్గా ఈ ఫోటో తీసినప్పుడు రిసీట్ కొంచెం మంచి క్వాలిటీలో ఉండే. ఇప్పుడు కొంచెం పోతుంది కదా ప్రింట్ డే బై డే. బట్ స్టిల్ ఇట్ షుడ్ వర్క్ ఫైన్ కదా. ఐఎమ్ బ్యాక్. ఆన్లైన్ ఇన్వాయిస్ నో బ్రో. ఇండియన్ స్టోర్స్లో ఆన్లైన్ ఇన్వాయిస్లు ఏముంటాయి చెప్పు. ఈ ఇన్వాయిస్ ఇచ్చడే గొప్ప. వస్తాయి వస్తాయి కానీ కొన్ని వేస్ట్ కూడా అయిపోయినాయి ఆల్రెడీ. దొండకాయ పాడైపోయింది. ఏం చేయమంటావు చెప్పు. 2 రోజులు కూడా ఆగవు అవి. అందుకనే వెజ్ తినకూడదురా. టిన్ 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 టిన్. సో ఐమ్ ఈగర్లీ ట్రయింగ్ అన్నట్టు. ఇప్పుడు స్కాన్ ఎట్లా చేస్తారండి? స్కాన్ ఓకే చేంజ్ ఫోటో డాక్యుమెంట్ ఫ్లాటన్ ఓకే. గ్రే స్కేల్ రెజల్యూషన్ పెంచవయ్యా పెంచు. కాంట్రాస్ట్ పెంచు. 600 స్కాన్. సాయిరామ్. యా అవుతాయి రా ఖర్చులు కూడా. ఖర్చులు చిన్నగా ఎక్కువే అవుతాయి. ఇది జస్ట్ ఇండియన్ స్టోర్. ఇంకా వాల్మార్ట్ ఉంది, శామ్స్ క్లబ్ ఉంది, నార్మల్ వేరే స్టఫ్. వరస్ట్ క్వాలిటీ. ఓకే సో కొంచెం సెట్టింగ్స్ ఎలా చేయాలంటే ఇప్పుడు నేను న్యూ స్కాన్ సర్లేదు ఉంచలే. బ్లాక్ అండ్ వైట్ పెట్టు. జేఈపీజీ పిఎన్జీ పెట్టు, కొంచెం ఎక్కువ క్వాలిటీ వస్తుంది. ఫ్లాట్ బెడ్ డాక్యుమెంట్ ప్రీవ్యూ. జస్ట్ ప్రీవ్యూ కొట్టుకోండి. ప్రింటర్లో ట్రై చేస్తున్నా హౌ ఎందుకు ఎలా అని. ప్రీవ్యూ అయినట్టుంది. ఎంత చండాలంగా వచ్చిందంటే ఏడరా టూల్ బార్. ఓకే ఎంఎఫ్ టూల్ బార్. ఓకే వేర్ ఇస్ ద స్కాన్ బ్రో? బ్లాక్ అండ్ వైట్ స్కాన్. ఓకే గో పన్నీర్. పన్నీర్ ఇస్ టూ ఎక్స్పెన్సివ్ మ్యాన్. ఇట్స్ వెరీ డిలైట్ ట్రైనింగ్లో ఉన్నా బ్రో. రోల్ ఇచ్చారు. ఏ రోల్ ఇచ్చారు? ట్రైనింగ్ రోల్లో ఇచ్చారు. ఇట్స్ ఓకే. జస్ట్ లెర్న్ వాట్ ఎవర్ యూ క్యాన్ బ్రో. ఓకే 600 DPI పేపర్ గ్లాస్ స్కాన్ పిక్చర్స్ స్టార్ట్. Gopi's paneer. There are other stuff too, man. Look at the cost of guava. Application second. Wow. Impressive. Impressive gaming kids. Impressive. Abba scan. ఏమన్నా క్వాలిటీ వచ్చిందా అసలు? ఎక్సలెంట్ స్కాన్ క్వాలిటీ. I don't know how to fix this, man. Black and white scan. Okay, let's do a color scan then. 400 DPI. I'm not changing anything, just simple scan. It's doing its thing. I guess your monthly bill will be more than $1,000. No, it should be, mine would be 1,500. If you're talking about, oh, just for food, yeah, you can say that. These are not like for monthly. These are, but still per month it would be 200 to 250 for just Indian store, and then we have, yeah, 1.46. Yes, I don't even have a car, bro. Scan other pages. Then if not, push finish. Okay, finish. Do we have a PDF? It saved as a PDF. Oh, the PDF version is much clear. The PDF version is much clear. Oh, the quality is sick for this PDF version, bro. Do they pay bunch? What do you mean? And I get 6K. Oh, you don't. What are you asking about gaming kids? Dude, ఏం worry about, dude. డెలాయిట్ ట్రైనింగ్లో ఉన్నా బ్రో, రోల్ ఇచ్చారు. ఏ రోలో చెప్పి సావలేదు నువ్వు. యాప్ సాక్ అప్లికేషన్ సెక్యూరిటీ బేసిక్గా అంత కంగారు పడకు. కొత్త వాళ్ళని ఏం ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ చేయరు. నేను జస్ట్ నేర్చుకో అంతే. నాకు ఎగ్జాక్ట్ తెలియదు, అది ఫుల్ స్టాక్ కదా. హే డూడ్, ద స్కాన్ క్వాలిటీ ఫర్ యాజ్ ఇన్ లైక్ ద కలర్ స్కాన్, ఇట్స్ ఆసమ్. The quality is awesome. I like it. But let's take a photo of this and upload it. Let's take this photo and upload it. Or else I'll just move it a little bit to the right. Okay. Okay. 1 second. I'll do that. Okay. And now let's do another scan. I closed it. Toolbar 4.9 color scan. It's a PDF. I wanted to be stored it as a JPG, but that's fine. Scan 1 DPI 400. Let us start scan. Junam bro, same nonsense been a while. Hi bro, welcome to the stream, man. Man, make a bunch and enjoy north side. Go places to visit. I, I'm planning to increase my pay, but it's not. Did you say how are you? What do you mean? I'm fine. Jonah, welcome to the stream, bro. I don't know why Relangi Mama did not wish you. Either my bot is dead or did it crash? No, it's still running. Welcome to the stream, Jonam Rusty. You seem new to the channel, bro. But yeah, I do speak Telugu. Oh, you did. Finish. Scan 1000. Oh, for some reason, this image does not look that good compared to the other one. Why? Or maybe I'm being stupid. No, this one. This. Hey, this is the same image and same printer. How can it have a different quality when I? Man, it's exactly the same printer, bro. Uh, I don't remember the name Jonam Rusty, but yeah, I remember. I remember reversing a name of some person. I remember it now. Can you reverse your name one more time? Manoj. Manoj. Yeah, I wish YouTube keeps the original names. Oh, now it's here. Manoj. Yes, I remember now. I remember now. Hey, what is the best format to have utmost quality? This I don't know. I don't understand this printer. The same bill. I didn't even do anything. I just moved it to the right so that it was cutting off some text, and that's it. The quality just changed again. It looks much more worse now. Let me see if I can connect it. Admin. What am I trying to do? It's a bit hard to explain. It's a bit hard to explain. When I press enable, why is it not enabling? Discovering server cloud. Okay. Did it not work or did it work? Stupid. Okay, let's try this one now. This is the worst again. I don't know. I changed something and it's OCR. Let's try OCR. Let's try OCR. Maybe uh what what is it trying to complain about? Save the scanned image into the selected folder and open the images with the OCR program. Yes, that's what I want. When I press start, it says specify the application where the scanned images is transferred. Just transfer it here. I don't care. OCR scans. What? It's not working. This is stupid. This is stupid. PDF. It's scanning again. I didn't know this would be this difficult, bro. The first PDF was almost perfect. I don't know why. I don't know what exactly I changed. That just messed it up. This is a this is bad, not that good. What is this scan to? This is worse. This one was the best quality I ever had. I don't know what I did. I don't know what setting I had. The quality was so good. It was so good. It was so good. Letter. Okay, and then change it to PDF. Trying something new. Do you know what is the difference between plate and glass? Oh, it's 1230, bro. It's 1230. Scan 2001. I know this. This is utmost worse. This is like no use at all. So let's do colors clan and inside it's paid in full. I don't know what exactly this means, but it's fine. And then scan one PDF. External application. Drag and drop the application to here to register. I don't know what exactly have you changed. Should show. It should show. It should show. It should show. Let's try this file type PDF. If this can do that, more than enough for me. Scan. Still scanning. Did you make that photo parser? I was using Google's Tesseract OCR, but the problem was it could not understand what I was trying to show. I wish I can show you my what do you call it, streaming PC screen so that you guys can see what I was trying to do. But maybe I can try doing it in this way. So my stream might be having some issues, so let's ease it off a bit. So now you see the screen. So this is what I'm trying to do. So this was the best scan I got. The same receipt, the same printer. But when I try to do something again, the quality is different. You see this? You see this one? So this was the best version. Oh, I'm using scanner just for this receipt so that when I try to take a photo from my phone, I could not really get much focus from the upper parts of the section. Either it's being focused here or it's being focused down. So I was thinking, okay, I have a printer, so let's try scanning it. Yeah, it's an old one. It's not mine. So I got this is the utmost quality. So all I did is, okay, this looks fine. So what's the problem now? So I wanted to move this receipt a bit right so that these text they have some space to the left so that it would be much easier for the OCR. So this is the scan one, and we can see this is the one which I like. But people won't have the scanner. I know. This is for me. I should have taken the image while the receipt was brand new. Why? Because the receipt print would go away if you're aware of it. Mm, some receipts prints they would just go away, and mine is completely gone. I have the Publix one, which is looks as if I got like today, but it's 1 month ago. But the Indian store receipt, which was like 1 week ago, the most of the color is gone from it. So I was trying to bring utmost quality of an image so that I can feed it to the AI and see if it can get any meaningful text, because currently, if you can see, this is the text it's getting, and this is the image I gave to AI. So it cannot understand these sections properly. Both. I'm making a product which I use. If it's that good, eventually I can share it off to other people. I'm not going to try monetizing it. So this was taken on day one, and even on day one we can see the print was not that good, but that's fine. So that's what I'm doing. The OCR was unable to get the text. The OCR is unable to get the text. You see this? What is this text? So I was thinking, okay, let's take a printout. Let's take a print of these, whatever this is, and let's see what is the maximum it can get. I like this, but again, let's see, this is the final one I get. So let's take a screenshot of this and feed this one to the AI. That's the only best version I can do right now. So let's see. This is the one I have. Select the image. Where do we have the screenshots? Here. This one. I upload this. Process receipt. It's done already. Did it fail? Why? This is not the one. OCR tech unsupported string parsing. What? Unsupported string parsing. Either it worked fine or what is this receipt? Print receipt error. Error, yes. So something happened here. Processing receipt image. Processing receipt. Processing bytes. So this was the total bytes. And then something happened here. Unexpected format string pass to none type format. Is there an error here? I mean, why was I not using try catch? Come on, man. Except exception e print. Okay, what hex? Why is it still showing accepted a statement? I don't think that should be an issue, is it? It's fine. Okay, yeah, an indentation didn't match. Okay, this one. Absolutely stupid. Now it should work fine. Okay. You can use a bit of AI to make the parser more accurate and faster. I didn't build my own parser. I'm using the best in class, Google Tesseract OCR. This is the one I'm using. You see, Tesseract OCR, this is provided by Google itself. I don't think that's the best in class, but I'm not parsing my own self. Of course, I'm doing some extra parsing afterwards. I'm using AI as well to parse the text. The code guy, you think I'm dumb, bro? I don't trust my own parsing. I know it's not possible on a human level to do any kind of receipt parsing. The thing is, previously for Walmart and Publix, the quality of their receipts were much better than the Indian store. So AI could understand this text, but for some reason, this receipt, you know how it looks like. So this is how it looks. There are a lot of stuff, and look at the text. It has extracted. Oh, it's gone. Let me see if this one is actually working or not. It failed. Why? Unsupported format string parsed of none type. So let me upload the another image. So it should be in the downloads, I guess. No. Let me see. Pictures. Yeah, this one. I press process. Hey, this image is working. No, it's an offline model. I don't think I can afford. So this is the image. It did try to parse it. So obviously the AI is not really returning a valid items. Cool. So obviously I was blaming the things on AI, but I wanted to see what was the original text. So what was the AI actually saying? And this was the text which AI saw. This is madness. There is even forget AI, even humans can't really see what exactly is happening here. So that's the problem. Uh, I I have no idea why this is working or having issues. But this was not the case before. I know about that. So that's why I'm saying, okay, what if I provide a better where did I move the image? Screenshots, pictures, screenshots. So what if I give a better image? You know, I process this better looking image. Paddle OCR, use this. What is Paddle OCR? I think I came to know I did try this. There was an issue with this. There was an issue with this. Paddle OCR now provides MCP server that supports integration with the agent or Cloud desktop. Ding 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 ding. Structured AI friendly like JSON or Markdown with the industry leading accuracy. Okay. How can I use this? Oh, okay, 12:36. Let's try to finish it up within 20 minutes. How can I use it? Core features. Okay. Quick start. Installation. Python install. If you only want to use the basic text recognition, requires the text position coordinates and what? Returns the text position coordinates and something. If you want all features such as document parsing, document understanding, document translation, use all. Oh my goodness. Starting from 3.2, addition of all. Okay. Run interface. PPOCR example 5 from Paddle OCR. Ding 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 input. This is the image, okay, and then visualize the results in the same and as the JSON. Chinese. Oh, okay. Can it read English? I think it can. So let's try installing this. Yes, okay. Do I have UV? Okay, looks like I have UV. UV add. Oh, I don't know if I can do that. Okay. Stupid. Oh my god. Pip install. Is it pip install pip? What was the one for pip install? How much storage do I have right now? I have good amount of storage. So do you want me to just try text for now? OCR? Let's try text for now. Dude, how can I hate you? So how can I use this? Run OCR, run ppocr file interface by CLI. Okay. This is the image and looks like it should just work fine. Do you work as a Python developer? To an extent, yes. I do use Python. Python. Okay. Or should I install it directly in the global version instead of just this one? But let it do its thing. Let's see. Things were working fine before. The OCR is itself is the main feature that I really need. How long does it take? So is this better than Tesseract OCR? Oh no, bro. I'm not that genius. Hey, thanks for the like. I got a like when I said I'm not genius. Is it stuck? I don't want it to stuck. Come on, go ahead. Okay, now it's moving. It's 18 by 22. Or maybe I don't need this LLM for now, so let's eject it so that my GPU can have a bit of easy time. Go ahead. Okay, 20 by 22. Come on. You are a crack level dev. What do you mean? Is it a good thing or a bad thing? I'm just trying to build stuff which I use. You have a 32 GB RAM? Yep, I do have a 32 GB RAM. So what was the command they wanted me to use? So this one, I gotta change the command and what? This is not what I copied. I just copied this one. So inside this, do I have to give it as a? Does it actually has an image? Okay, it looks like it. This is the image they are trying to boarding pass. Okay. So what is the path for me? Copy path. So instead of this, we do this path. I don't know if it works, but I wish it worked. It doesn't even copy. Is it even running? To see if it's running, let's see if it actually makes any difference. Model hoster? What do you mean model hoster? Is it trying to ship my data for something? No module name paddle. Is there any other package which I can just use it, bro? This is exactly what I installed, didn't I? Let me try installing it in global. Already existing. And then all I do is just run this. Or maybe I might need to install this one. It says a model is missing. It's downloading. My friend downloaded from a filtered pack Elden Ring and died to a tree sentinel 40 times a row, and what a noob. I died 100 times. Blue smiling. I didn't play Elden Ring, bro. I play Battlefield, Rainbow Six Siege, PUBG on my phone. I'm getting some. How much tick token? What are all these things? Is there any other OCR in GitHub? OCR paddle OCR. You never tried Soul Game? Not really. Easy OCR. What is easy OCR? 2 months ago, ready to use OCR with supported languages. Try a demo in our website, of course. I don't really enjoy story mode games too often. The moment I started playing multiplayer, I just cannot go back to story mode anymore. The last story mode I game was like what, Far Cry series. If they want me to sign in, I'm going to just close the tab. GLM OCR. There are so many OCRs coming these days. Oh, UV installation. Oh, this is the Python version. What kind of tasks do you do in your daily life in job in general? I'm a full stack dev working for a insurance thing. I am currently working with letter templates where with Quill and generate PDF. So this letter templates is basically the template adjuster creates templates using Quill drag and drop with Angular. So I have to deal with a bunch of stuff, resize images, add text, format text, yes, letter templates. So then I just I'm saving it into the database MongoDB and using the delta and HTML in the backend and using Python, WKP, HTML as well as Puppeteer. I have to generate a PDF, and that PDF should have the real data instead of template data. It should basically the adjusters are going to preview it and then send it as an email. I also have to work with email. There are a lot of stuff interesting most of the times, honestly. 46 by 47 LangChain community. I see. I did work on reserves. I did work on documents. I worked on multiple a lot of PDF processing as well. Where so let's say insurance is all about PDF like documents. So adjuster can send the claim information as PDFs to other third party services. We have. How old are you, man? I'm 27, about to get 28 in May. Yeah, 27. Are you expired? Why? Whoa, what are you talking, man? Adds an OCR text to the layer. This is not valid. So this is the one I think I'm using, Tesseract OCR. Repositories. This was the only one written in C++. Expire term is used for old guys. Oh. I'm not really aware of those terms. Gen Z. I don't. Tesseract OCR. Tesseract installation. This is the one I'm using. This is also brief history installation. This is a binary. Exactly, this is what I'm using for users. This is officially provided by Google, so I this works absolutely fine for me. I didn't really face any issues, honestly. Is it done? Okay, so let's. Oh, this is not the one, I guess. What was the command I tried? This one. Or let's just use the one which they wanted me to try. Paddle OCR. They wanted me to try this one. If this works, then maybe at least the installation worked. It's running. Do you live alone in such a big room, man? Would you get scared after seeing a white cloth waiting moving at a midnight? Not really. If you go to bed, I would just sleep. That's it. I once was afraid of watching my own chair. I have another gaming chair right there, and I was playing mobile. Why no model name paddle? Why? Stupid. This is what? Okay, I have wasted some time thinking about why I need to install this. So I was once scared a lot. You feel happy after seeing someone in your room, or your goat? Ghost must be afraid of you. No, 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 no. That's not. I'm not. I'm afraid of ghosts as well. It's just you don't really think about it. When you go to bed, you normally just feel sleepy. That's the reason why you go to bed. If not, you would I would just sit here, play some games, write some code. How old are you, the code guy? Let me send. I would be so sleepy. Sometimes I would vibe for my alarm in the morning, thinking that I'm still having a nice time. But then the moment, oh, you're just 24. Just 3 years, man. Just 3 years, nothing. It's like if you're in a BTech first year, I will be BTech fourth year or third year. I'm not that difference. Oh, something's happening. It did something. The hugging face, paddle, 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 paddle. Pikachu, welcome to the stream, bro. Something happened, but I don't know what happened. What does it say? Not supported? Convert, not supported. Let's see if it's someone has asked any question. Paddle OR, okay. Oh, looks like 6 hours ago. What a timing, bro. What a timing. Upgrading to 3.3. Click on the AI mode. What do you mean AI mode? So you want me to ask this one? Structured interface? In Google. No, that's welcome to the stream, Pikachu. I wanted to ask if you have any other things you want to talk about. This was a demo version they wanted me to install. You see small tabs, images, videos, and what are you talking about? Any suggestions? Is there a still hope for web devs after using AI models? Honestly speaking, bro, in my opinion, whatever the knowledge we have in January, it's outdated in February. Just within months, things are changing too rapidly. So don't try to chase what's happening, just learn new skills. If you think, okay, I don't want to learn new stuff, I just want to be a web dev, I don't think obviously that's a wise move. Just you see them as a tool, just keep using them. Just try using them. Don't try to learn AI engineering, just try how to use them. That's it. So if you don't really know that, then obviously imagine that someone is trying to do a plumbing work with ancient tools. Would you hire them? There are laser tools now, there are like stud finders, there are electronic drillers. Would you hire someone who does it with their hands? It's just okay if you want to upskill. It's not even upskilling. It's just use those tools. That's it. Eventually, the AI will be plateaued or saturated, so no one would be worried about it that much. Just give it some time, 2 to 3 years, and everything will be plateaued. Either it's going, either our lives changes too rapidly, or something will be happening. It's like using a cycle to go to exact. If there is an aeroplane, there is a new technology. You have to use it in order to, be hireable. Just use it. Don't feel afraid. Remove the idea of web dev. You have to be a full stack dev. Yes, there is no web dev anymore. You have to. You are just okay. I can do anything. Yeah, you want an app? I can do it. You want a video generator? I can do it. Hey, hey, code guy, you're wasting my time. Gen Z. What was the one you want me to try? I wanted to see if this works. Tesseract OCR. But the problem is, if this image was working, why is let me see if it can translate any other image. Oh, I got the image. Where is it? Where is it? Oh, it did translate decently. Are these the one which I have? Then why is it unable to translate this image? So if it can accept, let's see if it can accept this image. So I'll try to send this one. Process receipt. Dude, it even translated this one. But for some reason, it just doesn't want to translate the other one. What's wrong? What's wrong? What's wrong? What's wrong? When I send this one, it just doesn't want to translate this. So process receipt. It says unsupported format string password. Why? What's wrong with this image and this image? Uh, does it look that ugly? It definitely looks ugly. Probably. Let me try sending the original PDF to this screen. Maybe that can ease off some things. Making a copy of it, saving it in the videos, press space, done. I will now receive that from here, streaming videos. I don't want videos, go back. Oh, I think I can, I think that, yeah, okay, yeah, it's right here. Bring it somewhere here, open it. Oh, if I zoom it, obviously it looks much clearer. But if I zoom out, oh, this is not good. Okay, I think this image is fine. So let's try taking a screenshot. Let's try using this. I'm going to read your message memo. Content not extract meaningfully text from an image. Either they want me to die or what. Extracted 0 characters. Why? Oh my goodness. PDF to image. This is the last hope. I am a data science college student, and second year I wanted to explore new things, web dev, machine learning, and there are fear mongerings among students, and many are hopeless as seniors say the job market is not good. That's true. Job market is not good, but it's changing. It was not good before as well. Just because of COVID happened, things were messed up. But normally this is what how job market was. Even when I joined my graduation, job market was bad. It's just that, okay, just be relevant on what tools you want to use. Don't try to apply for big companies. Just apply for them something which are not famous. And honestly, that's what got me my job as well. Could not extract meaningful thing. What? Damn, I have no idea what's the issue here. See, there is an image. Okay, download. This is the image. There is definitely a text. Looks like this receipt itself. It just could not understand this text. Man, this sucks. It just cannot understand. I think that's the only possible way now. I think that's the only thing I can come up with. Or let's try some other free OCR, PDF OCR. Let's see. Let's see if it can do things. Language, it's obviously English. Where is it? English. Download. Uh, what? What did it do? Did it just give me the same PDF which I had? I was expecting it to just preview. Oh, that's how laser. That's how the printing. That's how they work, bro. Those are like the cheaper versions. I don't know how to fix this problem. But I wanted to see, is just my OCR which cannot translate this, or is there any other OCRs which can do but I can't? Convert. It's taking some time. No, bro, it did. Sure, it did. So what are they using? What is their special sauce? What are they using? Why can't my OCR do the same? This is exactly how I wanted it, except the prices. It messed up the prices, but this is much better. So it did get Genta, it get farmers market 25. This is exactly the address, the date. These are now the stuff which I bought. Obviously, the prices are not accurate though. These should be there are like one, two, three, four. 1, 2, 3, 4. This one is nice, but again the prices are messed up here. But still, it could extract the text. So let's try tools. What tool are they using? Oh, it's almost one, bro. I gotta go to sleep now. It's too late. I will continue this tomorrow. I'm going to star mark this and see what kind of genius did this. Why? How can? Is there any GitHub project for this? No. Advanced ACR image text free to use. It completely free. There is no hidden charges involved to make text extraction. What can I use? Who can use it? Students, teachers, marketers, freelancers. Expand. What tools? What tools are they using? How does their thing work? Mine didn't. Check it's only front end. I don't know. It's not definitely not front end, bro. I highly doubt it. So they're uploading an image, and then I press convert. Google Analytics. What is this function? It's a generating and reading zip files. This is the file saver. This is obviously the request. Oh, they're making a call to the backend, bro. It's clearly evident. They're making a call to the backend, and it's sending it back as a response. This is exactly the text I got. The action. So this is not happening in the front end. They're doing it in the backend. I don't know what tool are they using. I really anticipated this to work. So let me do one last thing. Tesseract Google OCR engine. What am I even typing? Install the exe, download the exe, and then we got the add the environment variables. That's done. Verify instruct. Okay. Terminal Tesseract. Is this the one? Yes. So how can I use it? Okay. So let's go to that image. Open the terminal here. Where is that terminal? Stupid. Okay. There's a very big image. Copy path. Tesseract. Is this the right way how you spell it? No. Oh, it's E. That didn't work. Output. Does it work now? Oh, output text. Wait, this worked. The one which I have locally. Of course, this kind of didn't work, but this worked. Uh, this actually got the prices right. Moong dal 4.5, whatever these is. Yeah, obviously there is a TX. Oh, there is a. Oh, it's not TX. It got it as TX. Very strange. So why is my local version not getting an error the moment I send this? Definitely has to debug. Maybe something has to do with how I designed this. The pre-processing is just not accepting this kind of an images. I said process image. No, I have to go to sleep, man. I got work tomorrow. Now it didn't obviously error out. Did it get any images? Don't save. What is this one? This is what I uploaded, idiot. What is this one? I'm getting a different text. I got a bunch of items though. Moong dal. Uh, After that, the post processing didn't do its job. Oh, it's only saving the first 500 responses. No, it's not a file type error in the front end. I'm sure about that. So you're not. This is the strength. Let me delete this just in case. Where's the delete button? Delete. Come on, just delete. So delete. So this is what I wanted it to do. OCR service when where is it? Receipt text right here. So somewhere here I am basically printing all the characters. So let's not do a truncate. Let it just print everything. so I can actually see what's happening. Where is the text? So this is the entire text. So the last one is swad mango pulp sugar. Why did it not work before, and why is it working it now? Which AI did you like, man? Not any, honestly. Some are some are trying to do different. I don't like Claude because they are kind of expensive. I like Gemini. I mean, Gemini, what they offer. I like Copilot for $10, what they offer. Uh, but obviously, the quality is not up to Claude level. Gemini anti gravity is offering a lot more tokens compared to like the cursor or anything else. The chat GPT is an all rounder because you're going to sleep. I don't know how it worked. Is it the image? This image worked, but the other images didn't. I think that's what happened. So let's upload the other image which I have. Videos, not videos, downloads, pictures. Yes. So if I upload this image, what the hell was I seeing then? Okay, definitely there is an error. So I was obviously seeing something garbage values, but still it did work. So I was trying to take upload a screenshot of this, and it didn't work. See, there's something in the image. What was it? Wow, context engine error. Wait, what? $3 a month? Hey, 10 no credit card, no 10 fast requests and 50 solid premium models. I'm sleepy. Guys, gotta go. See you again tomorrow. All right. I'm really sleepy. I'm done for today. I should have started the stream a bit early. But you guys won't be joining early because you're Gen Z and wake up late. All right. Thanks for joining, the code guy. Thanks for 5, 6 likes. See you again tomorrow. Peace out.